So a quick look at this silicone toilet brush. I was sent this and I was a little like iffy about a silicone toilet brush, but a few things that I've really liked is one, this is really good for small spaces like the side of a toilet and just having it ready. The other thing is you can just pull this out and put it back in and it's all closed in there and it's not just kind of like out collecting stuff. So that's really nice. The other thing is, and I'll show you this in use too, is this is a good size to get everywhere, but it also has a lot of flexibility to it. So for using this around, it actually is going to bend a little bit more than some of the other kind of bristles. And also they're silicone, so they scrub a little bit better. So you can actually get down into the toilet a little bit and kind of the sides up around it better than some of the other ones. So I'm going to show you it actually being used. If you want to see a little bit gross, cleaning a little bit of a toilet, let it kind of get dirty so we can show you exactly using this. And again, really compact and small. This would be really good for guest spaces too, even just your main bathroom, or if you have a rental, these could be really, really handy in that way too. So if you're using this, I definitely suggest using your favorite cleaner in the toilet bowl or wherever you're going to be using it, because otherwise the silicone scrubby will not like scrub completely. It won't smoothly go across. You can see here it is. It's a good size. And then of course you have the actual holder for it, which is really super simple to use. It just sits like that. And then once you put it in, it's just gonna close. So it makes it really, really easy to use. And it's also pretty petite and small compared to other ones I've had. So once it's in there, again, you can just use it to scrub along the sides. And it does a good job at kind of bending to get up in the areas, but you might have to give it a little bit of pressure on there to get that scrub on it. But one thing I like about this one is once you actually push it down into there, it can actually bend a little bit and get further in there. So it definitely feels different than your normal toilet bowl scrubber, but it gives you a little bit more options in terms of flexibility, as you can see there. And these are a little bit kind of thicker and harder like bristles. So sometimes it works better to get certain things off there as you're cleaning. But you definitely want to have some sort of cleaner on there to help with it sliding around.